Just Ron here. So I want to thank everybody for their support for my videos. Make sure you hit that like button, thumbs up. Where's the thumb at? There he is, somewhere in there. Subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the folks who subscribed so far. Thank you so much. So I was at work the other day, and we use a lot of plasticware at work, and I just realized, like, I'm wasting a lot of plastic. I'm not like some, super pro-earth person, but it's just, you eat the plastic. So why don't I just purchase some silverware I can just wash in the sink at work, right? And use it every day, and that way I'm not wasting any materials. So I went on my favorite website, of course, Amazon, and picked up this eight-piece set. The company name is EFAR, and they have an information thing on the back that says contact them for more information. And you can go on and ask questions. I mean, if you have questions about how to use silverware, you can use that as well. So that is that. So let's open up this product here real quick. The bag itself is pretty cool. It's got like almost like a material like inside of a jacket. I can't exactly say what it is, but it made some really good material. It's got the little red, white, and blue USA strap on it, which is pretty cool. And when you open it up, we're going to go through all the items that you have in here. So first off, you got your knife. And the cool thing about this knife is it's not some cheap piece of plastic you can bend. It's not some cheap aluminum stuff that you can bend. This has pretty good. It's pretty thick. Pretty good material. Next up, your fork. Likewise, this fork, can't bend it. Pretty good material, pretty solid. I like it so far. It's pretty big. I like eating with the smaller forks. This is one of the bigger forks. Let me know which forks you like to eat with, but I like the smaller ones, just easy to eat. Easier for me to put, eat food, but some people like the bigger ones too, so it's all good. Next up is a spoon. I'll tell you one thing. Once again, the material is good. Can't bend it. This is a big spoon. You can eat a lot of soup with this spoon. This is a big bowl of cereal type spoon. This is big. So what I will tell you is that on the website there is a smaller set of these utensils, which I probably should have ordered for work. But you know what? The bigger the better, right? Next up is, which is pretty cool. Look, these are chopsticks, and they were individually wrapped. Just wasting a little bit of paper there, but so whenever you want to order Asian food, Thai food, at work we have lots of Korean food. There we go. I got my chopsticks, right? These are, I will be honest, a little flimsy, but they're more sturdier than wooden chopsticks, and you can reuse them, right? So that's good. All right, next up. 2 for 1. So we got 2 straws, 2 metal straws here. Pretty good material, right? So that way you're not wasting straws at work either. I didn't even think about this. I mean, I'm not a big straw fan, but maybe I will turn into one. And it also comes with a cleaner. So what you do is you take this cleaner here, you clean your straw inside, get all that gunk out of there, and then there you go. You clean it with the straw cleaner here. So overall, you're getting. Oh, and it comes with a little clip thing here. You can clip it to your backpack if you go hiking. You can clip it when you go camping. You can clip it to your purse. You can clip it to your kid's bag if they take it to school. That's pretty cool. And the clip will just go right on the strap here. Like that. You can clip it right to your item here. Call it a day. You can clip it to your zipper if you want to. You can go on that part as well. So in a nutshell, you have, get rid of this plastic. This will all be recycled. And there's your index card here as well. Satisfactory guaranteed. If you've got any problems, you read the instructions below. So you're going to wash these with warm soapy water first, and then clean the products, dry them. If you're using it daily, please make sure you clean it every day. And even if you don't use it daily, clean it before you use it, and clean it after you use it so you don't have food stuck up on there. So overall, very happy with the product, very happy with the kit. I'm going to take it to work tomorrow. I normally eat like something healthy doing it when I'm at work. Oops, dropping my chopstick. Can't do that. I'm going to use it to eat my salad tomorrow. I may actually use one of these straws to drink my water too as well. We'll see. So if anybody ever used these straws, please let me know. It's kind of weird. I mean, I guess it saves, the environment, but they're metal or aluminum. I mean, it saves the environment, but where once again you got your fork, knife, spoon, all high quality stuff. Everybody, please hit like if you like the video, subscribe if you like the channel. I'm doing more videos, trying to figure out what you guys want to see. Thanks for all your support and comments and feedback. Everybody be safe. Just run out.